And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I trouble each in every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so withdrew without exemption. I planned each other course, each careful steps along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and cried, I had my fill, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I'll find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in the shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a woman? What has she got? If not himself, then she has not to say the things she truly feels, and that the word of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blow and did it my way. Yes, it was my way.